Hey, and welcome to another episode of Hopple Like a Donut, playing tennis upside down. These people were driving on a road in Russia when a helicopter started flying right over them. The driver started going at speeds over 190 kilometers an hour to keep up with the helicopter. A bus in Russia didn't have a spare wheel, so instead he used a giant log.
Россия. Ожидай, да?
Запах жженого древесины.
Выеб за это.
Конечно, он сейчас в крышку асфальта какой-нибудь ебанет.
Так, нахуй, подожди, блядь, а то мы сейчас с этими съемками, блядь.
This is a commercial for how iced coffee commercial is created. Many places have laws where foods and beverages are not allowed to use CGI. So everything is still need to be done the old-fashioned way. There's a company in Japan that builds buildings without using any spikes, and this is how they do it.
I want to share with you this very unique instrument we call the dead whistle. The dead whistle the Aztec used for special ceremonies for Day of the Dead celebration, and also they use when they have a war.
This guy made the elephant think he was sinking to see how his reaction would be. My reaction was actually priceless to what the elephant did. You can make a leaf move on water by using soap on it. The soap causes the leaf to reduce its surface tension on the water, what makes the leaf able to move like this. The best place where being small is an advantage. Thanks all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification button and leave us a comment of your favorite video. And remember, Happalaka donut!